Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for making CVs. First, navigate to Canva's website or open the app. You will find thousands of professionally designed templates available. Select a template that best suits your career field and personal aesthetic. This initial choice sets the foundation for your entire document. Familiarize yourself with the editing tools. They are quite intuitive. You'll be ready to start customizing in just a few moments. Now let's personalize your CV. Canva allows you to easily change fonts, colors, and even the overall layout. Replace the existing placeholder text with your own detailed work experience, educational background, and key skills. Remember to use strong action verbs. Make sure each section, like experience or education, is clearly titled. Aim for a clean, professional look that highlights your qualifications effectively. To make your CV stand out, consider adding subtle visual elements. If your industry permits, include a high-quality professional headshot. Canva offers a vast library of icons. Use them to visually represent skills or contact information. For example, a phone icon next to your number. Always prioritize clarity and avoid overcrowding the design. A well-placed graphic can enhance readability without distracting the hiring manager. Before you finalize, it's crucial to perform a thorough review. Carefully proofread your entire CV for any grammatical errors, typos, or inconsistencies. Ensure all dates, names, and contact details are accurate. Check that your formatting, such as font sizes and spacing, is consistent throughout the document. Once satisfied, download your CV as a high-quality PDF file. This ensures it looks professional on any device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.